Hey friends, so today we are going to be reviewing how to find or identify fractions on a number line. So if you can see, we're going to be working with just this number line first. I know that a number line that we're going to be working with, I can see that this number line goes from 0 to 1. I know number lines can go past 1, but today for what we're working on, we're going to just be working on number lines that go from 0 to 1. And one of the things that I want to be thinking about when I'm looking for my fraction on a number line is how many parts are there, how many pieces of my whole, right? That's what a fraction is, parts of a whole. So I'm going to be looking and I'm noticing 0 to 1. I see my 0 and I know I need to get to my A. I need to get to my A. So there's a couple things that I can do. I can count how many pieces there are. Let's try that. Ready? 1, 2. So I believe that my numerator is going to be 2. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to go all the way to 1 to see how many pieces there are of the whole, which will be my denominator. Let me just back you up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to do that again, but I'm going to go all the way to 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my denominator is 4. So my fraction is 2/4. I'm going to show you another way that I like to do, that my students and I like to do in our classroom, is we like to jump. So we're going to jump 1, 2. I know my numerator is 2. And then we are going to swim because we're frogs. For my students, they know Frankie the Fraction Frog. But even if you don't know about Frankie the Fraction Frog, you can still figure it out by just 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that I just swam or moved 4 times to get from 0 to 1. So my fraction, point A, is 2/4. All right, now let's try this one down here. You can do whatever strategy you like. You can do count by the pieces until you get to your point, and then that will be your numerator. Or you can hop or skip, whatever you call it, and then also swim or move, whatever it is that you call it. So I'm going to give you some time to figure that one out. Oops, there we go. All right, friends, so now let's go through this one together. I'm going to show you both strategies because they're both right. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. I ended at that dot, so my numerator is going to be 4. And now I'm going to check for my denominator. And I'm going to go all the way to 1 whole because my denominator is how many parts there are of the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that point B is 4, 6 on this number line. Now let's check with our movements. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. I know that each of these pieces is 1/6. They're 1/6 of my whole. So 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 1 whole. Awesome learning today, friends. Way to go. Good job.